Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best welding helmets is probably one of the most crucial pieces of safety equipment for welders. These helmets automatically darken when exposed to the intense light of a welding arc, protecting your eyes from harmful radiation. In this video, we'll explore the top auto-darkening welding helmets, helping you choose the perfect one to keep you safe and productive in your welding projects. Number 5. YESWELDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This is the YESWELDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. It is designed for TIG, MIG, MMA, and grind. This helmet provides excellent protection and clarity for all your welding needs. With a wide shade range of 3.59 to 13, it adapts to various welding processes. The helmet ensures optimal visibility and protection in different welding environments, making the job easier. Featuring 2 premium sensors, it switches from light to dark in just 1/30,000th of a second. This rapid response time ensures your eyes are always protected from harmful light. Experience better clarity and a true color view with its 1111 optical clarity. This feature allows you to see your welds more clearly and accurately. The design is compatible with cheater lenses and magnifying lenses. This allows you to customize the helmet to your specific needs, improving comfort and usability. It uses a replaceable CR2450 battery for extended life. Superior comfort is provided by the pivot-style headgear, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit during long welding sessions. What we like. This helmet offers a true color view, allowing you to see your welds more clearly. With a fast switching time, it protects your eyes instantly. If you are a professional welder who values clarity and efficiency, you should consider this one. What people say. The helmet is lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The auto-darkening feature works flawlessly, providing excellent visibility before and after welding. The adjustable headgear ensures a secure and customized fit for different head sizes. Number 4. YESWELDER LYG M800H Welding Helmet. This welding helmet features a super large viewing screen, making it easier to see your work. The large viewing area allows for better control and precision during welding. The helmet provides a true color view, enhancing clarity and reducing eye strain. This feature allows you to see the weld in its natural colors, improving accuracy. Equipped with 4 premium arc sensors, the helmet ensures reliable and consistent performance. These sensors provide quick and accurate darkening, protecting your eyes from harmful UV and IR rays. With a wide shade range of 4.5 to 9.9 to 13, this helmet is suitable for various welding processes. It adapts to different welding applications, offering versatility and protection. The helmet is designed for superior comfort with a pivot-style headgear. This design ensures a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to work for extended periods without discomfort. It's great for TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma applications. The grinding feature adds extra convenience, making it a versatile tool for all your welding needs. What we like. This helmet features a super large viewing screen for enhanced visibility. Equipped with 4 arc sensors, it provides reliable protection. If you need a wide field of view and extended battery life, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The hood material is very thin and flexible, but it doesn't need to be thicker to do its job, and weight is the enemy for something hanging off your face. It's very light and comfortable. The weight is distributed well over the harness. I flipped it up and actually forgot I had it on for a few minutes. But, the lens shading and image is great. I've been wearing a much older Hobart Auto lens for 15 years. At the first arc, I honestly panicked a bit. To me it seemed like the lens didn't darken. At least for a few seconds, until I realized. Cool. The arc is blue, the puddle is red, the back of my glove is mustard yellow, and I can see the edge of the plate to keep the weld running straight. Maybe all of them are like this now, but I'm astounded by the clarity. Before I could see a bright blob, the arc, a smaller less bright blob, the puddle, and nothing at all outside half an inch of the light from the arc. Turning it down only overwhelmed with glare, and turning it up just made the bright blobs dimmer. It was welding by feel, really. I'm a few hours of use in now, and it's great. Hopefully it continues to work and nothing breaks. Being able to see makes welding easy. Number 3. Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 Welding Helmet. Introducing the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350. It features 4C lens technology, providing the clearest view of your work. This eliminates imperfections and color saturation. This helmet offers perfect optical clarity, rated at 1111. This rating ensures the lens is free of blurriness, distortion, and maintains shade consistency. The Viking 3350 has an extra-large viewing area. The 12.5 square inch lens gives you a wide field of view. This increases versatility and control. Designed for all-day comfort, this helmet features innovative X6 headgear. It distributes weight and optimizes balance, reducing pressure. The Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 comes with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. It comfortably fits hat sizes from 612 to 8. You can adjust the headgear tightness with the ratchet knob. What we like. This helmet boasts industry-leading optics for the clearest view of your welds. The extra-large viewing area enhances versatility and control. If you are looking for superior clarity and all-day comfort, this is the one you need. What people say. You can clearly see your weld pool and the workpiece during operation. Fit is extremely nice. Has multiple points of adjustment and a band that is circumferential is easily adjusted with a knob adjuster. The best thing about it is its clarity when welding, and the viewing area is amazing. Number 2. Jackson Safety HSL 100 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Introducing the Jackson Safety HSL 100. This auto-darkening welding helmet is designed with a narrow shell, perfect for working in confined areas. It also features an extended front for added throat protection. The helmet offers a 3.94 by 2.36 inch viewing area. This provides a clear, unobstructed view without the need to lift the hood during your work. Experience superior vision with variable shades from 9 to 13. The True Color technology ensures a crystal clear view, reducing eye strain and fatigue. It has a 1111 optical clarity rating. It features intuitive digital controls for easy adjustments. You can customize sensitivity and delay settings for various tasks, including weld, torch, and grind modes. This enhances visibility and color recognition. It is equipped with 4 arc sensors for maximum eye protection. The patented headgear includes a speed dial ratcheting system and easy-to-use adjustments. This ensures both comfort and safety. This product meets ANSI Z87.1 and CSA standards. You can trust its quality and reliability. What we like. This helmet features a slim design, perfect for working in tight spaces. It offers easy-to-use digital controls for different tasks. If you often work in confined areas and need precise control, you should consider this one. What people say. Noticed immediately the lens was very clear and the filter was colored well. The sturdiness is where this helmet shines. The adjustments for sensitivity, shade, and mode are simple and easy to use. The ratcheting headband is comfortable and seems of good quality. Number 1. 3M Speedglas 9121 Welding Helmet. This welding helmet features an auto-darkening filter that allows welders to see more realistic colors. It enhances precision, contrast, and provides natural-looking colors of your welds and welding pool. With external controls, switching between grinding and memory modes is simple. You can adjust settings using the silver front panel without removing your gloves. This helmet allows you to set individual auto-darkening filter settings. You can customize shade, sensitivity, and delay with the push of a button. The auto-on technology allows you to quickly grab the helmet and start welding. It automatically turns on to the last setting used, saving you time. Side windows provide a wider field of vision. This feature makes it easier to spot potential hazards, such as obstacles and coworkers, increasing safety. This helmet meets ANSI Z87.1-2010 impact standards. When used with an approved hard hat, it also meets ANSI Z89.1 standards, ensuring your protection. What we like. This helmet has improved optics for more realistic colors. It features external controls for easy access. If you are a welder who values convenience and customization, you should consider this one. What people say. The helmet is lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The auto-darkening feature works quickly and effectively, providing excellent visibility during welding. The adjustable headgear ensures a secure and customized fit for different head sizes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.